To apply Aqua grain filler, you're going to want to use a flexible straight edge such as a Bondo blade, rubber squeegee, an old credit card, your fingers with a glove on, a rag, or anything that helps you force the product into the grain. A common mistake is the instinct to apply a lot of product initially. You're only going to need thin coats. Because it is water-based, it will dry quickly, which is why you want to work in sections, as you can see. Make sure your last pass is with the grain. This will remove any excess you still have on your project without removing the filler you've already applied. Give it 45 to 60 minutes to dry. Another common mistake is sanding too hard. You only need to scuff sand lightly with a 320 grit sandpaper or Scotch-Brite only immediately before your next application. You're not sanding it down or off, you're only sanding it for adhesion of the next coat. Don't use tack rags at any point because they have oils and waxes in them. 2 to 3 coats are recommended